Dreaming of opening your own restaurant in Dubai? The city's food scene is a global melting pot, and there's always room for a fresh concept. With the right plan, turning your vision into reality is more achievable than you think. This guide will walk you through every essential step, from legal paperwork to your grand opening. We'll help you avoid common pitfalls and set your venture up for long-term success in one of the world's most competitive markets. Ready to start your journey? Let's dive in. Your first step is securing a trade license from the Department of Economy and Tourism. Decide on your legal structure. Mainland is best for most restaurants, and reserve a unique trade name. Gather essential documents, passport copies, visa, and a memorandum of association if needed. Submit your paperwork, pay the license fee, and receive your official trade license. Your key to opening a bank account, hiring staff, and moving forward. Keep your license safe and renew it annually to stay compliant. With your license in hand, register your company with MOHRE and GDRFA to get your establishment card and staff visa quota. Your quota depends on your restaurant's size. Plan your team accordingly. Apply for staff visas, issue offer letters, secure entry permits, and complete medical tests and Emirates ID applications. Once approved, your team's visas are stamped, making them official employees. Efficient management ensures your restaurant is fully staffed for opening day. Dubai Municipality's Food Safety Department must approve your kitchen layout before construction. Submit detailed blueprints showing all areas, kitchen, storage, dining, and restrooms. Follow strict rules: minimum kitchen size, separate prep areas, proper ventilation, and non-absorbent surfaces. After fit-out, schedule a final inspection. If you pass, you'll receive a completion certificate. This certificate is essential for final trade license approval. Fire safety is critical. Hire a DCD-approved contractor to install alarms, sprinklers, and emergency lighting. Ensure clear evacuation routes, visible exit signs, and staff trained in emergency procedures. The Civil Defense will inspect your systems and safety plans. Pass the inspection to receive your DCD completion certificate. This is one of the last steps before you can officially open your doors. Your restaurant's location is key. Choose a neighborhood that matches your concept and budget. Upscale areas like downtown Dubai suit fine dining. Dera and Karama are great for casual eateries. Consider visibility, accessibility, parking, and nearby competition. Spend time in the area and talk to local business owners before signing your Ijari tenancy contract. The right location sets the stage for your restaurant's success. Build excitement with simple marketing, offer opening discounts, and use social media to tease your launch. Post behind-the-scenes content and introduce your team to create buzz. Collaborate with local influencers for pre-launch tastings and reviews. Send press releases to local media and invite the community to your opening event. A strong launch turns curiosity into loyal customers. Here's your checklist. Finalize your business plan, secure your trade license, register for staff visas, get kitchen and safety approvals, and sign your tenancy contract. Complete your fit-out, pass all inspections, and hire your team. Develop your menu, train your staff, and plan your marketing. Open your doors and welcome your first guests. Dubai's restaurant scene is competitive but full of opportunity for those who prepare well. Take the first step. Your dream restaurant in Dubai is within reach.